When it comes to building the ultimate gaming rig or workstation, choosing the right PC case is not just about functionality, it's also about style. Today, we're delving into the world of PC cases to bring you the coolest designs that offer top-notch cooling, ample space, and premium build quality. Join us as we unveil the coolest PC cases that merge aesthetics with functionality, providing the perfect canvas for your dream PC build. Get ready to transform your PC into a luminous masterpiece with the CORSAIR iCUE 7000X, the ultimate RGB Full-Tower ATX PC case. Step into the world of full-view elegance. The 7000X RGB showcases your system like never before, with 3 stunning tempered glass panels. Tame the cable chaos with ease. The CORSAIR Rapid Route Cable Management System simplifies cable routing, offering a spacious interior and a hidden channel. Immerse yourself in a sea of RGB brilliance. Equipped with 4 CORSAIR SP RGB Elite PWM fans, each with 8 individually addressable RGB LEDs, you'll be astounded. Take charge of your RGB and fan speeds effortlessly. The included CORSAIR iCUE Commander Core XT controller, along with the iCUE software and PWM fan repeater, gives you total control. Stay frosty with colossal cooling potential. Accommodate up to 12 to 120 mm or 7 to 140 mm cooling fans and unleash the power of multiple radiators for extreme cooling. Your customization possibilities are endless. With side mounts for up to 4 to 120 mm fans or a 420 mm radiator, explore new realms of cooling options. Elevate your PC experience with the CORSAIR iCUE 7000X, where RGB illumination meets unrivaled performance. Prepare to redefine your gaming station with the Fractal Design North, the epitome of style and functionality in a mid-tower computer case. Unleash the power of aesthetics with the Fractal Design North. Its sleek wood and alloy accents will add a touch of sophistication to your gaming setup. This case is designed for ultimate compatibility. Whether you have an ATX, MATX, or IDX motherboard, the Fractal Design North has you covered. Stay cool while looking cool. Experience natural ventilation through the open front and seamlessly integrated mesh design. With room for a GPU up to 355 mm or up to 300 mm with a 360 mm front radiator, your options are limitless. Get a head start on your cooling game with 2 included 140 mm aspect PWM fans. Your components will stay cool under pressure. No more struggling with your build. The Fractal Design North's user-friendly design lets you remove side panels and pop off the top panel with ease. Streamline your build with an intuitive interior layout. Your components will find their place effortlessly. Enjoy a case that's not just a PC component, but an elegant addition to your living space. The Fractal Design North effortlessly blends in. Elevate your gaming rig with the Fractal Design North mid-tower case, where design meets performance in perfect harmony.
This new case marks a special period for us. It's time for our chassis design to take on its next evolution. This is the Thermaltake Ceres 500 chassis. This brand new series combines everything you've been asking us for into one show-stopping case. Size-wise, the Ceres 500 sits 525mm high, 245mm wide, and 507mm deep. Being a roomier mid-tower case, you will have plenty of room to work with here. It comes with a single timber glass panel on the left-hand side of the case, offering stunning views of your PC's internals. The panel is also a hinged door, allowing easy access to your PC for cleaning or installing something shiny and new. Another aspect you will notice at first glance is the case's perforated surfaces. We know, and more importantly, you know, how vital airflow is to keeping your PC running smoothly. So over 60% of the Ceres 500's panels are perforated. The series also features stylish metal panel accents at the front of the case, giving it its unique silhouette. Another fantastic feature we must touch on is the brand new stock fans that come with the Ceres 500. These are our CT fans, an evolution of our previous turbo fans combined with our love for ARGB. Included the Series 500 are 4 of our CT140 ARGB fans to tackle the heat generated for current gen components. The CT fans can reach a max speed of 1500 RPM, and this combined with the PWM function means you have full control over your fan speed. These hydraulic bearing fans also come in non-RGB versions. They're also available in black and white to ensure it matches whatever color scheme you have, with built-in rubber pads on all 4 corners helping dampen vibrations. Let's talk about what kind of hardware compatibility options you have with the Series 500, because trust me, there are many options here. The Series 500 can support up to a 12-inch by 13-inch eATX sized motherboard, allowing you to choose the perfect motherboard for your build. Regarding cooling options, it can support radiators up to 420mm at the front or 360mm at the top. Fan-wise, you can also fit up to 3 140mm fans at the front, up top, or 1 out the back. The Series 500 also features a super handy removable front bracket to make mounting your fans or radiators effortless. Now it's time for the section you've all been waiting for. You can run with a CPU cooler with a max height of 185mm, a PSU with a maximum length of 220, and a graphics card of up to 425mm without a radiator installed at the front, or 395mm with one. So yes, 4090s can most certainly find a home in the Series 500. But if all of that goodness isn't enough to show you how great the Series 500 is, we've got even more to share. Firstly, the Series 500 supports an optional LCD panel. This panel allows you to monitor your frequencies, real-time temperatures, or even upload a custom image or GIF to add another layer of uniqueness and personality to your build. We've included a GPU support bracket, which helps provide that little bit of extra assistance to prevent graphics card sag, and the case also features our patented rotational PCIe slots, which provide the option to display your graphics card either horizontally or vertically with the included Razer cable bracket. So you can show off your 4090 in all its glory at whichever angle you wish. Rounding it out for you cable management aficionados, we've really stepped up the cable management features in the series. On the back, you'll find multiple large rubber grommets, built-in Velcro ties, and cable guides alongside tons of space to tackle those unruly cables. Storage-wise, the series can support up to 5 3.5-inch hard drives or 8 2.5-inch SSDs. With all of these perforated holes for airflow, of course, comes with it dust. But never fear, the Series 500 comes with dust protection in all the right places, including removable filters at the top, the front, bottom, left, and right sides, keeping your hardware protected from all angles. Finally, you have an I/O port in a handy location on the left side of the case with 2 USB 3.0 ports and a USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C port. The Series 500 is a case that genuinely encapsulates Thermaltake's vision of our future case offerings, featuring a big emphasis on airflow, optimal hardware support, functionality, and attention to detail. The Series 500 can house all sorts of ambitious creations and looks incredible while doing it. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please let us know in the comments below if you have any questions about the Series 500, as we'd be happy to answer them. Alrighty, see you in the next one.
Compact doesn't mean sacrificing performance. With the Fractal Design Meshify 2 Compact, you get the best of both worlds. This case redefines aesthetics. The iconic angular mesh front not only looks stunning but also provides filtered airflow with a stealth-inspired aesthetic. Illuminate your setup with RGB brilliance. The included RGB controller adds a northern lights effect, turning your rig into a visual masterpiece. Don't hold back. There's room for GPUs up to 360mm with a 240mm radiator on top, or up to 360/280mm front radiators with GPUs under 305mm. Keep your system cool and running smoothly. Install up to 7x 120mm or 4x 140mm fans. Plus, this case comes with 4x 120mm aspect 12 RGB PWM fans included. Experience the perfect blend of performance and space efficiency with the ATX form factor design. It's compact but offers the capacity of much larger cases. For those who demand power and style in a compact package, the Fractal Design Meshify 2 Compact is the ultimate choice. When it comes to design and versatility, the Cooler Master Cosmos C700P stands in a league of its own. The C700P Black Edition takes elegance to a new level. With matte black finishing, fine mesh panels, and sleek aesthetics, it's a masterpiece. This case offers unprecedented versatility. You can choose from a conventional, chimney, inverse layout, or create a fully customized setup. The removable motherboard tray adds even more flexibility. Say goodbye to cable clutter. The Cosmos C700P comes with an extensive cable cover system, offering 3 covers that can be placed on the M port or midplate. You can also mount SSD storage or a reservoir with ease. For liquid cooling enthusiasts, this case has it all. The flat radiator bracket design allows versatile placement, and you can mount radiators on the top, front, or bottom. It's liquid cooling made easy. Keep your build on display with style. The lightly tinted curved tempered glass side panel offers a wide, unobstructed view of your masterpiece. Elevate your build, experience unmatched design, and enjoy the power of versatility with the Cooler Master Cosmos C700P.
If you like the video, please click on the like button, write a comment, and subscribe to my channel.